Hi guys, welcome to the session. If you guys can hear me, then please confirm on the chat window. Hi Vedankush, how are you? I'm good, thanks. Hi Medha, if you can hear me, then please confirm on the chat window. Medha, you there? Okay, great. So guys, in our last class, we did search campaign. Have you guys practiced? Yes, sure. I'll just give you the permission. There you go. I have given you the recording permission. But what? You have any queries? Any issues that you faced? Okay, okay. Medha, you haven't tried or you haven't faced the problem. What's... Yeah, just a second with Ankush. I'm giving you the permission. You were to make your campaign, you were trying to... You were trying to make your campaign live with Ankush? Okay. It was asking for tax details. No, it won't ask you until and unless you make your campaign live. So were you on the payment part, payment section? Okay, sure, I'll do that. So as I told you to skip the guided process, have you done that? Have you did that? I'll just make you the presenter. You just open your screen. Okay, you just share your screen. Okay, so I have given you the rights. Please open at your end and share your screen. Medha, you have one query, is it? See, I told you to start your campaign after clicking on the skip the guided process. I think you have not done that. That's the reason it's asking you the same thing. I have shown you the skip the guided process. Yeah, but now I don't think that you can just go back, just go back. Yeah, on clicking that only you will get that screen. I don't know why it's coming this way. Okay, so what's the confusion like? Is it not clear? Bidding part is not clear, Medha? Go back again, go back again. When it is high and low, like when you need to bid high amount and low amount, right? Is this? So, okay, click on your this account 347. I think you have linked two accounts here. Yes, open this. Mm, why is it coming like this here? Mm, okay. There is. I think you that is not being clicked or something. Mm, okay, I'll just take the control. Can you stop sharing your screen with Ankush? Yeah, I remember it got opened when in the previous class when I opened. Okay. So here let me just please enter your details here. I'll just give you the remote control. Go ahead. Oh, okay. Yeah, use another account. Just click on that arrow. Click. Okay, I'll just do that. Yeah, and come down. Just type in. Just type in. It will open. You just type. Don't select. Just type. Not now with Ankush, just delete this and not just type. Start typing, it will go away. Yeah. Type. Now type. You just type in here your email ID on the chat window. Just type in your email ID on the chat window. Let's just open this. I don't remember. And how come it's coming two accounts here? Should be one account only. Mm. I think you have to start from the beginning with Ankush. There is some problem. Yeah, there you go. Here it's coming. It's opening my account from my Gmail ID. Okay, other day also with Ankush, if I remember, my account has only been opened. This page of your account hasn't opened the other day. When I went back, it opened my account only. Okay. So now what you have to do is you have to create a new Gmail ID and use that Gmail ID for your AdWords account. And click on the skip the guided process. Okay. That's the solution for this now. Yeah. And Medha, you're saying that have you tried creating the campaign, Medha, first of all? Medha, have you tried creating the campaign? Reply, Medha. Okay, you created so many campaigns. Okay, great. So the problem that you faced was regarding bidding. Okay, okay. So you already creating campaigns in your office? Okay, okay. You were creating earlier or you just started creating the campaigns? Okay, okay. Have you made them live? Yes, yes. Travel is their keywords are very competitive, Medha. Their keywords are very competitive. So have you seen on the keyword planner tool? Okay, okay. Yeah, for see, it really depends on the keywords which you are targeting. If the keyword is very competitive, then definitely, okay, you chose medium keyword. Okay, so let's just start here. It's a travel company, right? Travel. And what's the landing page? URL of the landing page. Nida, please share the URL of your landing page or the website. Website URL. Hmm. Not been able to hear from you, Medha. Company's website URL. Please share the company's website URL. Till the time you share, I'll just going back, and so I'll just quickly do the recap of our previous class, guys. So in the previous class, we discussed about the bidding strategies, guys, where we uh, had a brief about each and every bid strategy which is available in Google AdWords, right? Whether it's manual or automated. So we talked about target CPA, right? So that means cost per acquisition. So the number of, so that is the amount that you actually spend in order to get or in order to generate a conversion or a lead, right? So that amount you can, okay. Okay, I'll come back to this, Medha, in a while. So I'm just doing a quick recap of a previous class. Okay, guys, so here you just mentioned the target CPA, which is the amount you, which is the amount that is you are willing to spend on in getting one conversion, or the amount that you actually spend in getting one conversion. Okay, then you have target ROAS, that means return on ad spend. Here you specify this in percentage, that means if how much amount you are spending on that, how much return you are expecting from the campaign. So if you are expecting 10%, 5% of the return, or 20% of the return, you will mention here, and accordingly Google AdWords will work, right? Then you have maximize conversion. So if the objective of your campaign is to increase the conversion, or you want people who are coming on your website, you want them to take an action, whether it can be to make a purchase, or to download a brochure, or to download an app, or to register a form, or fill a form, or subscribe on your website. So you can intimate Google AdWords to optimize your ad campaign in order to get you maximum conversion. So for that, you will select maximize conversion. Okay. Then we have discussed about mm, maximize clicks. That is also the part of the bid strategy, which will get you maximum clicks on your campaign. If you want to increase the maximum traffic on your website, then you will select that. The other option was the outranking share. That means outranking the domain. You can outrank the domain of your competitor, and you will intimate AdWords that I want my ad copy to show prior to my competitor, and you can specify the URL of the competitor domain, and you can also specify the percentage in time, like how many times you want your ad copy to outrank your competitors ad copy, right? So if you want 100% only, so you can write 100%. So in all the cases, it will make sure that competitors ad copy doesn't show up, right? And you can also mention there the maximum bid value, so that in order to achieve the um, or to beat the competitor price, you will give the maximum bid also, so that Google AdWords doesn't exceed your budget. Okay. And then there is to have your ad copy on the search page location. That means you can display your ad on the first page, or anywhere on the first page, or at the top of the first page, right? Then you have manual CPC. That means manually you will bid. Okay, you will give a bid manual amount, give manual amount of your bid, and you can change that at any point in time. And if you're giving manual bid, you can also have different bid for different AdWords, only in case of manual bidding, guys. Okay. So, and the other option, you got the enhanced CPC. That means you can ask AdWords to automatically change your bid in order to get you maximum conversions. Whenever there is a requirement, if you check that enhanced CPC, Google AdWords will increase the bid as and when it is required. Okay. So this is about the bidding strategy that we have covered in the last class, guys. We have also discussed about the delivery method, which is standard and accelerated, right? And we have created a complete campaign. I've talked about the ad campaigns, or sorry, the keyword ad groups. And within ad groups, I've talked about the keywords you can set, and keyword match type also, guys. Any doubt within keyword match type, broad modifier, phrase, exact, negative keyword match type? Now, guys, is it all clear, or you want me to take that up again? Match types, creating ad copy. Clear? So that is a quick recap of our previous class, guys. So today we are going to start with the display network. Okay, if you have any doubt, any queries, you can let me know. Else I'm starting with the display campaign. So guys, display campaign is like, okay, I'm coming back to your query, which is, sorry Medha, I've just missed that. This is the URL of your website, which is morninghospitality.co.in. Okay. Then here we can select the travel and tourism, right? Any particular amongst this, Medha, if you want me to select accommodation, air travel, holiday packages, what you are into, Medha? Travel and air travel. Travel and tourism. Yeah, I have selected travel and tourism, and the subcategories of this is this: accommodation, air travel. What you are into? Holiday packages, last minute travel. No need. Okay. So here, this is the bit that you can see: hotels in Delhi. Keyword. Okay. Hotels in Delhi. I can't see that here. See, this is the ideas that you are getting. How much you have bid for these keywords: resorts in Delhi NCR and hotels in Delhi? And is it ranking? Your website is ranking on this amount? It's pretty okay. Yeah, so 45 rupees is pretty okay, because in digital marketing I've shown you it goes up to 100, and even 200 rupees per click. So that really depends how competitive the keyword is. So here you will just get an idea. Okay. Shall we proceed now, Medha and with Ankush? With the display, have you guys tried creating the display campaign or just the search campaign? No. Okay. How about you, Medha? Okay, so guys, as I told you, the display campaign displays your ad on the website, on the third party or the partner websites of Google. Okay, so all those websites are partnered with Google or registered on Google AdSense. So once they register on Google AdSense, then these display ads will start showing on their website. Okay. So here guys, first when you select display network, three options you will get: whether you want to build the awareness, or you want to influence the consideration, that means visit your website, or you want to increase the clicks on your website. Then the third option is the express interest on your website, buy on your website. Okay. So guys, build awareness means you just want to increase the impressions. Okay, so let's say a big brands like Pepsi, Coca-Cola, these guys, they don't want any traffic on their website. They don't want to increase the traffic, or they don't want anyone who's coming on their website to make any purchase or to do any action on their website. What they do, guys, they just want to make the awareness amongst the target audience, right? So for building awareness, guys, you can use the best one is to use this, which is impressions. Okay, you can select impressions, and if you want to increase the traffic on your website, you can select this. And if you want people who are coming on your website to buy, or to fill up the form or buy on your website. So let's say I'll select drive action and I'll select express interest on my website. Okay, I'll select this, and on selecting this I'll give my website URL here, guys. Okay, and I'll say continue. So here, guys, I'm going to give my campaign name. So it will become very easy for you guys to understand, because you already know well versed with the search campaign. So it will become easy for you to understand about display campaign. So we are creating display campaign for DMP. Okay, and here I can select the location where I want to showcase my ad. So India is already selected. So I'll select enter another location, which is, let's say, Delhi, target, and I'll say Noida, target. Right. So guys, you're clear with the location. Any doubt while selecting location? Any problem you faced while selecting location, guys, with Ankush and Medha? No. Okay, it's pretty clear. Okay, so for now we just keep these two locations. Languages showing English. Okay, then we have bidding. So guys, now here one more bidding strategy will also add, that is impression, which is CPM, cost per thousand impressions, guys. In display campaign, CPM, which is cost per thousand impression. This is recently added, guys. It was there earlier, which is removed by Google, and it is still not available for search ads. Now you have got this for display ads. Okay, that means on 1000 impressions only, or 1000 views only, the money will be deducted. Okay, it's not on click, it is on 1000 impressions. CPM. Right, so here, guys, you can see the options that you can select. So here you can see for display campaign you have target CPM. Yeah, it's the same again. Cost per acquisition, return on ad spend, you can mention the return on ad spend, that is in percentage. Maximize clicks, if you want to increase the maximum clicks on your website, you can select this. Viewable CPM, that means cost per thousand impressions, which is only on views. Okay, on 1000 views your money will be deducted, and this is again manual CPC, cost per click, manual. Okay, so let's keep this viewable CPM, which is an automated bid strategy, guys. So that is, we are running on cost per thousand impressions here. So here you can see the impressions also, which is 3.4 billion based on the area that I have selected. Okay, the location. Now here I can give my daily budget. So let's say 1000 is my daily budget, guys. Guys, bidding is clear. Any doubt, or you want me to take any bid strategy again? No. Okay, how about you, Megha? Clear. Okay, great. So guys, if you have any doubt, any query, just stop me in between. Then again, guys, this is the same concept, ad rotation, which is you can optimize your ad copy either for clicks, optimize for conversion, or rotate evenly or rotate indefinitely. Indefinitely, yeah. Okay. So you can say optimize for conversion, because we have selected a drive action on our website. So I have selected optimize for conversion. I can select my ad schedule here whenever I want to showcase my ad, and what time on a particular day I want to display my ad. I can select the ad slots here, and I can give the start date and the end date of my campaign. Devices. So guys, as I told you that when you create search ad, in search ad you don't get an option to edit the devices, whereas in display ad campaign you will get an option to edit the devices as well, and many other things you can change here. So I will select set specific targeting for devices. If I click on this, you can see whether I want to show my ad on computers, mobile app, interstitial ad, or mobile web, and tablet app, interstitial, and tablet web. These are all the options you have. Computer, I hope you're clear, which is laptop. Mobile means mobile app, any application if you're running, if you want to showcase your ad copy within the mobile application, you can select this. Mobile app interstitial, guys, it's a, the apps with the full screen. Okay, your ad copy will show in full screen. So when you guys visit Book My Show, in case you haven't experienced this, when you visit Book My Show, there is the ad which shows up and takes opens on the full screen. So interstitial is the same thing, guys. Have you guys experienced in any of the apps? Yes, Vedankush says yes. How about you, Medha? Yeah, okay, so that is the interstitial. Then again, mobile web, which is if you're using Android, you have internet. If you're using Apple, then you have Safari, all that mobile web. Then tablet apps, so tablet app interstitial, again tablet app web. So this is about the targeting your devices. Then you have operating systems, guys. You can select the operating system if you only want to run an ad campaign for Android. So let's say you have created an application for Android phone only. So you want people who are using Android should only view your ad, right? That will make sense because there is no point to showcasing people who are using BlackBerry, Windows, iOS, because your app is only in Android, right? So you will promote only for those people who are using Android. Okay, so you can select that. Then device model, guys, you can select which device model you want to target. So if you're targeting Android, so here you can select the mobile which are in Android. So here is the complete list. So let's say we'll select Samsung only right now here. So you can select any of the mobile phones models. Done. And then, guys, network also you can select network like Airtel, Aircel, Vodafone, Jio. So all that is available in India. You can see Vodafone, Uninor, Jio, Reliance, MTNL. So let's say this is very helpful for people. So let's say Airtel wants to do some advertisement. They are coming up with the new plans, or they want their existing customers to upgrade their plan, right? So what they do, they will to target only their existing customers who are on Airtel. They will select Airtel here, right? So people who are using Airtel, only to those people this ad will show up on the mobile, right? And if you are targeting, so let's say you are targeting, you are creating a campaign and you're targeting those people who are using internet, and you are company of Vodafone and you want them to upgrade to Vodafone now, so you will target people Airtel only, just to make them be available on Vodafone. Clear? So you can select that, guys. Any doubts in devices, guys? Is it all clear? Okay. No, not clear? Medha, is it not clear? Clear. Okay, great. Then you have frequency caping, guys. This is also a very good function that you get in display. That means you can put a cap when you are creating a campaign, and let's say one person that is, let's say me, Preeti, I keep on looking at the buy iPhone 7. Whenever I take, that is my favorite keyword, I keep it buy iPhone 7. So this is the keyword I keep using. So what they have done, they have added a cap that is one person who has viewed a campaign more than 5 times, then my ad copy should not shouldn't be shown to the same person, right? So here I can select. So let's say I say 5 viewable impressions per day, or per week, or per month. So let's say if one person has viewed 5 times, then in a day, then my ad campaign should not be visible to the same person. If that person has viewed per 5 times per week, you can select, or 5 times per month. Okay, and if you select per day for this campaign, or per ad group, per ad for this campaign, you can select these options, right? So if you view any ad more than 5 times, 6 times, whatever keeping they have set, after that amount of time, the same ad will not be visible to you. Clear? Makes sense, guys? With Ankush, Medha? Okay. Then this is, we have already covered people in who show interest in your targeted location. You can select, exclude, right? So now here we can select, create a ad group. Guys, this is something of advanced level which I can cover later on. Right now you will get confused if I'll discuss this. So here guys, you can create your ad group. So let's say ad group 1. And now guys, this is very important part here of selecting your audiences. Okay, in display ad, you get to select the audience on different basis. So guys, when you select search, when you're creating a search ad, at that point in time, you only create your ad on keywords, right? So anyone searching with that particular keyword, then your ad will show up. Only on keyword basis you can show up your ad. Now here in the display campaign, there are different criteria that you have. One is the audience size. Audience, like what AdWords has done or Google has done, they have divided the interest of the audience. So you have infinity audience, sorry, affinity audience, not infinity, affinity audience and in-market audience. Okay. So guys, whenever you search anything on Google, if you visit certain type of websites, then what Google do is they add you in that particular category. For example, let's say Medha. Medha is interested in health or fitness related things. So Medha might visit health and fitness related websites and keep on viewing the pages on health and fitness, try to look on the content for health and fitness on Google. So based on her interest, what Google will do, Google will add her on the health, on the fitness category, right? Similarly, Google do this for every user who is online and what pages they are visiting, what information they are looking for. Based on that, they will categorize that particular user. Okay, so an affinity audience is for long duration, basically long duration. That means they have got some interest in that category or on that topic which they keep on reading for longer duration. Okay, whereas in market audience, guys, is for short duration. That means they have no interest somehow in that particular thing, but they are looking at that information for a while. So let's say I'm not interested in automobiles, right? Just a second, guys. I'll just put you on hold, getting a call. Sorry, guys. So yeah, I was talking about in-market audience. So let's say, for example, I don't have any interest in automobiles. I don't read frequently about automobiles content. But right now I am planning to buy a car, for example. Okay. So if I want to buy a car, then definitely I'll go and Google, right, on what prices they are available, what's the best model, which car I should go for. I will read the content, but that will also for a very short duration, for a while only, or maybe for a particular week, until I buy that product or a car maybe. Okay, so that is only for short duration. That means that audience is in market right now for a limited period of time. Okay, these two categories clear, guys, affinity and in market audience. This is based on the user interest, I would say. Okay, so then guys, after this you have remarketing also. So guys, as I told you, what companies or websites do, they keep a track of visitors who are visiting their website. If they are visiting and have viewed some content, some product, but they have not actually purchased that, right? And if they have not purchased that, then the same product will be visible to them again and again, right? That is remarketing. So we can remarket also. And you can also do on the keywords basis, guys. You can set the keywords, you can select the keywords, and what Google is going to do on, let's say my keyword is online, learn digital marketing course online, right? So what Google is do, Google will match all the websites who is what that is having learn digital marketing course online, who, wherever it is written, Google will find that keyword and will show my ad copy on all those websites. Okay, then you have based on demographics, guys. That means age, gender, and parental status. Simple. Then you have topic, on based a particular topic related website. So let's say if you want to show your ad copy only on education related website, you can show that. Only on let's say jobs related website, you can show that. Only on fashion related website, you can show that. Then you have another criteria, that is placement. You can, here you can select a particular website. You can type in the URL of the website where you want your ad copy to be placed. Clear, guys? This is about the audiences. Megha and Vedankush, any doubt? So now I'll just show you live, then things will get more clear. So guys, here audience, you can see here remarketing, in market, affinity. All these three options you have. Remarketing is the most used, guys. Remarketing, right? Where people do a lot of remarketing. They just catch hold of the audience or the user who are visiting their website, and they keep on showing the product of their website or the services, whatever they are offering to the same customer wherever or any on whatever website they are visiting. Okay, that is remarketing. So here, guys, you can select, this is the audience that I have already created. I can show you how you can create the audience. Okay, I'll come on that later after completing this. So I'll show you how you can select that. So here you can see I've created a list here, website visitors. So I can select remarketing for DMP visitors. Right now it is not valid, but in my all users, all my website users, there are 3,000 people right now who has visited, right? So I can select this. Similar audiences here, similar to all audience. This is another, this is for remarketing only. Okay, and then in market audience, as I told you, people who are in market right now. So people who are looking for home related or garden related stuff, who are searching for home related products, I can select that, right? And people who are looking for event tickets, dating services, beauty, product, services, auto, vehicles, I can select that, right? So based on the line of business, so let's say if Meta has to make a travel campaign, then she can select people who are looking for travel right now. So in market, they are in market right now. So she can select this option. Okay, so after selecting, just go back here, click on in market. So you can see here, then you have affinity group. Affinity group means of people who are for longer duration, right? So who has got actual interest. So who have got people who are keep reading about lifestyle and hobbies, media and entertainment, news and politics, shoppers, travel. So you can select that from here. If you want to create your own custom affinity audience, we can also do that. So let's just go back here. So click here, affinity. So here you can select custom affinity audience. Here give the audience name, let's say fitness group, and description, related interest and URL. So here you can type in a particular interest. Also, let's say only fitness freaks or fitness or gym related. So here you can see fitness is added, gym, gymming, who all are doing gymming, they will be added. And you can also specify the URL of the website. So let's say healthyfi.com. I want to target this. So people who are visiting this healthyfi.com, I will target them. Make sense, guys? See the level you can go in display ads. Hope it's making some sense. You getting clear? Though these groups that I have created, I've just created for your knowledge, but guys, um, if I'm creating a target, let's say DMP ad campaign, then these groups are not valid for that. Okay, because I would like to, in that case, I would like to capture each and every one, because for me, whether they are looking for travel, auto vehicles, they have got interest or not, doesn't matter to me. Okay, so you have to select on based on the product that you are promoting and the services that you are promoting, right? So you can see here the impressions. Right now it shows we can get 910 impressions based on the reach that we have selected. Okay, again, as I told you about the demographics, you can select the age, gender and parental status. So if you only want to target female, you can select that. Male, you can select that. Both, you can check both. Age factor, parental status. Household income, guys, in India, it is not working right now. It's not valid because Google has not that data, doesn't have this data. But in countries like Western countries like USA, Australia and all, Canada, they do have the household income data there. So it works there well, household income. So it doesn't work for countries like India. Okay, for Western countries, they have this data. Okay. So you can also select the content targeting. As I told you, the keywords, you can select the keywords. So what they are going to do, they will match the uh, keywords with the website. So course, digital marketing, online marketing training. So wherever these terms or keywords are mentioned, our ad copy will showcase on that website. Okay. So you can specify. If it is not available here, you can type in also, guys. You can type in also. Okay. Then say done. Then you can again select this topics. You can mention the topics. So here you can specify the topics. So let's say I only want to showcase my ad on the finance related website, computer and electronics related websites. So guys, you're getting difference between So earlier what we have select the user interest. Now we are selecting the kind of websites where we want to showcase our ad, right? So that is called content marketing. Okay. Sorry. System is a bit slow. Just guys, just a second. Unknown where I have selected unknown. Oh, my ad is not being. Sorry, some problem with my system, guys. Sorry. I'll just quickly create. So here you can select the placements also. So here you can specify website URL. So let's say you want to showcase your ad on NDTV. You can select NDTV. So here on website you can see this. And you can also see, you can select YouTube channel, you can use select YouTube videos, apps categories. Wherever you want to showcase your ad, you can select here. If you want to showcase your ad on particular YouTube channel, particular YouTube video, or any apps you want to show, or you can select an app categories also. Okay, so that is. So here what you can do is you can select automated targeting where you intimate AdWords, right? So here you can select no automated targeting, use only the targeting that you have set yourself. So you can tell them you don't want Google AdWords to select any targeting. You just tell them just focus on what the target you have set. Okay, conservative automation, that means aim to get customers like the ones that you have targeted. So here what AdWords is going to do, that they will help you or target the same set of customers, try to uh, target the same set of customers that you have specified. Okay, aggressively they will look for, aim to get as many customers as possible around your current cost as per customer. So this will work aggressively, conservative, and no. So that depends on you how you want to proceed. If you want to give AdWords right to go ahead and look for the customer, you can select that. You can keep select conservative. This is a recommended one, and this is the new functionality, guys, which is added here in the new look of Google AdWords. If the old one is opening on your AdWords accounts, then this functionality where you will not able to see. Here again you can bid for your ad group viewable. So per 1,000 views, how much you want to bid. So here let's say I bid 50 rupees. Okay, so here system is calculating on how much I am going to get. So this is the average views that I'm going to get, cost per 1,000 impressions that I'm going to pay, and this is the impressions that I'm going to get, right? And then you can create your ad, new ad, responsive ad. It is always good to create a responsive ad because a responsive ad will auto adjust the size of the ad copy if it is opened on mobile, on computer or laptop or tablet. The size of the ad copy will be auto adjusted, right? So here you can create, you can select the images. So here you can see the system is scanning our website because I've given the URL of my website. So all the images which are there in my website, it will scan and I can select from there. If I don't want to select from there, I can upload the images here, or the recently used images, stock images. That means you can select from any of the URL. Let's say if the images is already stocked in Picasa, so you can enter the URL here and you can get to see. Okay, and these are the web images that I've got. So I'm selecting this image as my logo. Sorry, use as logo. Okay, and continue. And I can select this image, use as image, continue, and SEO, use as logo, continue, then this, use as image. So you can see select up to 2 images and 2 logos and save it. So here you can see now I can give the short headline, learn digital marketing. Okay, register now. Make your career in digital marketing and I think this much was enough. Business name, here I'll give my business name, which is Digital Marketing Paathshala, for example. And guys, always remember this is the word limit, 25, 90, 90. Right? So again here I'll just give DFT. Okay. So you can only restrict to this word limit. Okay. Final URL. So here you can give the final URL option, and this is the ad preview which you can see here. Okay, clear guys? Any doubt? Actually, I have not selected the ad group. You are all set. Right, so I can create another campaign also. So now I'll come back here. I'll just show you now about remarketing, guys, but it is clear till what we have covered. Display marketing, audience type, that you can select type of audience, because here audience is the major part for display marketing. Yes, okay, great, thank you. So here guys, I can go here on shared library. Just go to shared library guys, shared library, and click on audience manager. For your remarketing list, first you have to create a remarketing list. If you are creating a display campaign and you want to target your remarketing or do remarketing, in that case, first come to shared library, select audience manager here. Okay, and now click on plus sign. So here you can see guys, website visitor, you want to target your website visitors who are visiting your website. You want to target, if you have a mobile app, and you want to target people who are visiting your mobile app, YouTube users, people who are visiting your YouTube channel or your YouTube videos, or looking at your YouTube videos. You can select that, or any customer list which you already have an existing list, you can upload. Okay, or you can create a custom coordination like website visitors also, app users also, like that. So let's say we select website visitors. Here we can give the audience name, list of people visiting website. Sorry. Okay, and then list of members. So here you can select people who are visiting, visitors of a particular page, visitors of a page who also visited another page, these visitors of a page who did not visit any other page, right? So you can just type in the URL of the particular page, visitors of a page during specific dates. Okay, so here you can specify visitor of a page, and here you can specify the URL of your website and add, right? So here referral URL, no, that is your website URL. You will select that, equal, starts with, does equal, or just contains, and here just give the URL, right? So here you can select initial list size, include people from the past 30 days, or you can start with an empty list. So here it will also include people from the past 30 days only. Okay. Membership duration, if anyone who has registered on your website, you can select. Okay, and here you can specify people who are in your list, and for how many days you want them to be in your list. Okay, and then create audience. Clear guys? Medha and Medankush, this is how you can create your remarketing audience. So the navigation is clear. That means you will first go to shared library. Again, I'm repeating, go to shared library. From here, click on audience manager. You will come here in the audience list, select from here and create your list. And after, it will take some while to update, and it will show you how many people are there who are visiting your website. Okay. Yeah. With Ankush and Medha, is it clear? So now guys, will you be able to create display campaign? Okay, great. So I want you to create a campaign, display campaign, and let me know if you face any problem or if you have any doubts for that. Okay? So and just see what we can cover now. Display campaign we have done. Just a second, guys. I'm just putting my laptop on charging. Okay, guys, I'm back. So I'll just start with the YouTube video. That means video ad, guys. So today I'll just cover the theoretical, and in the next class we are going to do the practical of the YouTube ads or video ads. Okay. So guys, as you know, the YouTube is also a part of Google, okay, and it's a product by Google only. Google has only invented YouTube. So YouTube is again a search engine where you search for the videos related content. Okay, so Google AdWords is the only way through which you can create video ads for YouTube and different websites. So here guys, these are of two types. One is the YouTube TrueView in-stream ads. These are also called video discovery ads, right? They are TrueView in-stream ads or video discovery ads. So you can create these two ads. TrueView in-stream ads are also called, guys, pre-roll ads, skippable ads, in-stream ads. That means the ad which you can skip. Okay, so as you might have experienced, whenever you are looking or running any video on YouTube, before your video starts, you will experience an ad which runs, okay, and it shows after 5 seconds, right? For 5 seconds, you can skip the ad. After 5 seconds, you can skip the ad, right? That is called skippable ad, and it is also called pre-roll ad. Why? Because it runs before your video starts, and this is also called in-stream ad, which runs before the actual video is being played. Right guys, clear? So you must have experienced this type of ad, which is called skippable ad. Yes, with Ankush, yes. Okay, great. So we are going to tell you how you can create these skippable ads, right? And these are the different names. So when you create a skippable ad, or when you even see the skippable ad, there is a companion banner which you get to see on the right hand side, the companion banner of the same ad, right? So this companion banner gets auto created by AdWords. They can select the images from your video only. They will select the images from the video and create a companion banner of your video ad. Okay, and if you want to upload any uh, particular image of for the campaign banner, you can select the different image also, or you can create on your own. Clear? So you can see the companion banner against the skippable ad. Then guys, there is a rule how you are going to charge for this. So when you create a skippable ad, guys, the pricing rule is for 30 seconds, right? So if anyone who has viewed your ad for 30 seconds has not skipped the ad and viewed the ad for 30 seconds, then the money will be charged. Okay, that is called CPV, that is cost per view. A view will be added here. After 30 seconds, a view will be added, and for that view, the advertiser will be charged. Okay, so that means this is scenario one. If your video ad length is for 35 seconds, for example, or more than 35 seconds, then you will be charged. If anyone has viewed up to 30 seconds, then only the advertiser will be charged. And if anyone has viewed 24, 25 seconds, 28 seconds, or 29 seconds also, it, the advertiser will not be charged. No cost. So you can see here, video ad is watched for 25 seconds and then skipped, no cost. Video ad is watched for 29 seconds and then skipped, no cost. 6 seconds, then skipped, no cost. Only if it is watched for 31 seconds and then skipped, cost per view, and cost per view or at 30 seconds. So here guys, in skippable ads or video ads, there is cost per view, okay, which is CPV. You will be charged as per CPV, and that means on every 30 seconds. If you have viewed for 30 seconds, then the advertiser will charge. They will be charged. Okay, clear guys? Scenario pricing is clear. Then for example, if the video length is less than 30 seconds, that means only for 28 seconds or 26 seconds, in that case, how the advertiser will be charged? In that case, advertiser will only be charged if that video has been viewed in full. Incomplete, that means if the video has been viewed fully, then only the advertiser will be charged. Okay, not less than that. So if the video has been watched for 25 seconds, then no cost. 27 seconds, no cost. If the video has been watched for full, that means for 28 seconds, then only cost per view will be applied. Clear guys? If it is more than 35 seconds, then 30 seconds is the rule. And if the video ad is only for 28 seconds, then the video has to be watched in full, incomplete, right? Then only it will be charged. Then you have in-stream ads, guys. I'll come on this later on. First, I will cover the other type of ad, that is bumper ad. This is the true view ad, that means true view bumper ads, that is only for 6-second video ads. Okay, this is called bumper ads, 6 seconds video ads, and these are non-skippable ads. Non-skippable ads. So you might have experienced ads where you're not able to skip that ad. Okay, that ads are for shorter duration. Okay, and here we will charge cost per 1,000 impressions. It is on impressions, not on cost per view. It is on impressions only. Okay, so let's say I have opened YouTube, right? Either I have a video is playing, right? So whether I have seen in full or not seen or just close, but they have got the impression, and on 1,000 impressions the advertiser will be charged. Okay, so here let's say for 1,000 impressions it is $1, and we will be paying either $1 or less than that for 1,000 times my ad has been displayed, only for displayed. Okay guys, is it clear? CPM and CPV, the difference between CPM and the CPV. And bumper ads are charged on CPM, and in TrueView in-stream ads are charged on CPV. Okay, great. Then this is the difference between both in-stream ads and bumper ads. Length of the video ad, that is, there is no limit to the video ad length. If we are creating skippable ads or in-stream ad, then there is no limit. If we are creating bumper ad, then it has to be a up to 6 seconds or less than 6 seconds. Okay, where the ad will appear. Here the ad will appear before your actual video is being played. Okay, and here the ad will be can appear before the actual video, or in between the video, or after the video, anytime. Multiple times it can be played. Here just once before the video starts. Okay, then you have skippable functionality. Here you can skip the ad, but here bumper ads cannot be skipped. Non-skippable, skippable. Pricing and bidding, this is charge cost per view, and this is cost per 1,000 impressions. How many of these ads appear within one video? This ad will appear once in the video, and these ads will appear multiple times. Okay. The difference is clear, guys, between in-stream or skippable ad or bumper ads. Yes. Okay. Great. Then, guys, I'm going to come on the video discovery ad. Right, video discovery ads has got 4 options. These are also the skippable ad, guys. It's a part of skippable ads, but there are 4 options you can select here for video discovery ad. One is the YouTube search results. So whenever you search anything, let me just open YouTube. So let's say I search here. So let's say I search here digital marketing here. Sorry, not digital marketing, just digital marketing. So here you can see this ad is coming, explore the DJ scene. I've searched something and this ad is coming here, ad, right? So this is search result ad, okay? And it's a part of video discovery ad. So when you select video discovery ad, there are 4 options. One is the search ad, right? Then the other is the related ad, guys. So let's say if I see Choo Choo TV rhymes here, again this ad is coming. So if I play anything here, so when you play any video, then you get to see a lot of related videos, right? Either down here or at the related channels, you can see this related. So if you get to see the ad, it will be written ad there, right? In front, it will be written ad. If not, then ad is not running right now. So let's say movie trailer, any movie trailer. Let's search here and run. Let's say toilet. I'll just pause this. And if you get to see here in the related an ad option here, then that is called related ads. Okay, related ad will show here in the related. Clear, guys? So I'll just show you. Then you have this related video ad. Here it shows like this ad. If there's any video is playing, and here on the right hand side you get to see the ad, that is related ad. So you can create search results on, or you can create related ad, right? Then this is the overlay, guys. Overlay, like this, you might have experienced. So let's say you have played a video, right? And on your video there is a banner which comes on your video. On the top of your video a banner shows up. That is called overlay ad, right? Overlay banner ad, like this, like this, like this. Overlay banner ad. Okay, So I have told you about search result, related videos, overlay, and other is the on partner website. That means if you want to run an ad on any of the partner websites, then you can select this option. Clear guys? Any doubt till here? This is partner website. So like let's say this is newspaper state, and this is something important guys. So this is not the ad, video ad, this is the display ad, banner ad. Here you can just see the images and it's coming, and it is created through display ad. This is display ad. Okay, this is again, this is also display ad guys. Okay, and these are something important. You can use a video hive to create videos, right? So guys, this is something theoretical about video ads. So now in the next class, we will do practical of how you can create video ads practically on Google AdWords. Okay, clear guys? Sure, I'll do that guys. I'll just right away share it with you all. Okay. So there you go. This document has been shared with you. So now when we do practical, things will get more clear. Okay. So till the time guys, do practice about display campaign. Okay, do create display campaign, and if you have any doubts, we will address those queries in the next class, which will be on Wednesday, same time, same link, 8:30. Okay guys, are we good to wind up or you have any queries? Okay, great. So thank you so much guys. Thank you Vedankush. Thank you Medha. We will connect on Wednesday. Yeah, we are going to have class on Friday as well with Ankush. Wednesday and Friday. Okay. Okay guys. Bye till then and take care of yourself. Have a good night. Bye. Bye. Good night.